Hello everybody, welcome back for another episode of R32 Skyline build. Here we are, we're in the shop right now. This is going to be episode 3 of the R32 build. So today what we're going to be working on, we're going to be taking apart the engine. As you can see, I already took it apart almost. It's a couple of things left. I did record that video I'll be putting on, but there's no audio, so I'll be putting music on the background because I didn't really explain what I did and all that stuff, so I'll be putting that in. So right now what we're gonna do is so we have to clean this intake manifold. So we have to clean off the old gasket from here so we can put a new one. So we want to surface to be flat, nice and smooth. So we're going to be doing that today. So we're going to be cleaning that off, and then we're going to be cleaning off the exhaust side. Same thing. Going to be make sure it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to be taking apart the timing because we have to do new timing, new water pump. So we have to take the valve cover so we can take the head off, so we can put the new head gasket and new head stud. So all right, let's get going. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm almost done cleaning this up except this part, but before cleaning that up I have to take the timing. I also put it on this thermostat housing. It's going to be thermostat inside, new one. So it just mock up right now because I don't want all the dirt and debris go inside, so I'm basically blocking it off. But this is the new one. The reason I got a new one is here's the old one. As you can see, it's really bad shape. So it was like 40 bucks. So might as well just replace it. So here's the new one. So I still have to buy a new thermostat. But I don't really need it right now. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the timing out. So I'll put you guys on the tripod, and all right, let's get back to work. guys, little update now. As you can see, I took it off the timing, I took it out a lot of things. This is all the parts I took it out, that's the valve cover and all that stuff. It looks okay, except here, it's not gold, it's white, so I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. And here on the all the way in the back, it's really black. So it has to be, where you can see it's good or not, it has to be golden. Like on this and this side, are good, pretty good. Previous owner, it looks like he just loved the red silicone, so he put literally everywhere. Like the oil was leaking from here, like all around the edges. It was leaking from here really badly. I have to take the head. So here's the little bolts right here, Allen bolts right here, you can see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6, yep, 14. So on the RBs, you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no, that's the. So on the RBs, how you take it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And when you put it back, same thing, but the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. So it's on the manual, so you can take a look. What else I do, pro tip, what else I do, it's pro tip, so whenever you take the bolt out, just put it back on. So you know you're not going to be missing any bolts, and you know where it goes and all that stuff. So alright guys, so finally took out the water pump and cleaned that from all the gasket, and also cleaned out this valve cover from old gasket also. So now I'm gonna be taking out the head. I got the ARP head start, so make sure we're gonna be following the instructions, because it's really important. So yeah, let me take out the head side, and I'll put you guys on the tripod. Hey, what's up guys? Finally the head is out. Ooh, like you can see, the head gasket is pretty bad already. So that's a good thing we're changing it, and there's a lot of they'll be good if I could have upgraded the internals, but I don't have that kind of money right now, so I will hold off for now. I'll just put the new head gasket and head stud. Just leave it as it is. With upgraded head gasket and head studs, maybe I can do 325 horsepower on the stock internal, so which is okay for now, because later on I'm planning to swap for RB25 or 26, so we'll see. If I get 25, I'll be rebuilding the whole engine with the internals and everything, so for now it's okay. I'm okay with that, so I'll just leave it like that. So here's the head. I took the spark plugs too, and then and here's the new head studs right here, hardware, and that's the head gasket right here. Before installing these, I have to clean them out really good, and I have to take this head gasket too, and also there's oil dripping, so I have to clean that out too. Alright guys, so we removed the head already. I took out the old gasket. Here's the old gasket, but there's still a lot of material left from the gasket, so I have to clean that out. But what else we're gonna do today? We're gonna be removing the oil pan. Remove the oil pan, cleaning it, checking it, make sure everything is all good, and reseal it back. Because it's leaking. It's leaking from oil pan. Like you can see, it's whole oil pan on the oil. So, all right, let's get back to work then. Little update. So I did remove the oil pan, like you can see. I already cleaned the gasket off. I already saw that. Took the gasket off. What I would do, I would just go with the 3M Scotch-Brite, cleaning off the little small one to make sure it's nice and smooth. Same thing with the oil pan. I don't have a Scotch-Brite, so I'm gonna go stop by at the Home Depot. I have to get a lot of stuff basically. I'm not gonna be doing anything today. I'm just gonna cover it up today. Cover it up, make sure it's not gonna be any dust or dirt goes in there. So this is all the parts I laid down. So I'm gonna be cleaning the valve cover, painting it. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys. So here's the valve cover. Basically, like you can see on the back, it says RB20 and the line. So I didn't like that. I want to be plain smooth. So basically, I just bundle it. So I have to sand it down, make it smooth. So I'm just gonna basically delete the numbers. Already cleaned all of them off. So yeah. All good for today. Time to go home and rest. I'll see you guys on the next one.